So hi, Stephen. We're here at NAMM, Noise Engineering stand.
Yep, this is Noise Engineering. I'm Stephen McCall. We're going to show you 4 of the modules that we're putting out first quarter of this year. Let's start with the Sync Bucina. So this fella right here. It's a pretty simple module. It's very similar in form factor to another module that we've now discontinued called Synclastic Impulatrix. It's a very simple attack release envelope with a low pass gate. So
a low pass gate instead of a VCA. Like
yeah, exactly. Yeah. The Synclastic Impulatrix had a clipping VCA, and this is a voltage controlled low pass filter. It's really simple and straightforward, but a lot of functionality in a pretty small space. And it sounds pretty good. So the second module I'm going to show you is Terse Arena, which is it's 3 distortions. They're normal, so they actually all go through each other by default. The first distortion is a transistor feedback distortion. The second distortion is a feed-forward diode clipper. And the third one is a transistor fuzz. So it's just a lot of signal destruction. Pretty straightforward, though. The third module we're releasing is... Let me get this Franco Solo, which is an adjustable clock divider. So you can set the ratio of the rhythm to any number of beats for any other number of beats, up to 10 over 10. So you can do, like, very simple, very easily do polyrhythms, 1 over 10. It's not kind of boring polyrhythm, but you can do 3 over 7. Or another really good use of it is any of the divide by 6s. Well, not with odd numbers. Find a divide by 6 that isn't an odd number. There we go. Well, so straight divide by 6. If you have a 24 PPQ MIDI clock, you can divide it by 6 and get a quarter note out. So the last module that we're releasing first quarter this year is Curses of Terratas Percido. So if you're familiar with Loquelica Terratas Percido, it's a very similar concept, but with the Curses synthesis algorithms. So there are 5 tone controls and an envelope that's the same envelope as in the LIP. You can also, just like the LIP, send the envelope to the parameters. So that's what these 5 knobs do. But we've added a master blaster control that scales all the envelope sends. So we have one big control to do.
Affects
a lot.
The envelope sent to all of them.
Yeah, exactly. So you can turn all the sends off with just one quick touch, or go full on, or backwards. So it gives you a whole lot of playability with just one knob. So it doesn't
kind of offset what's already there. It just goes from 0 to voltage.
Yeah, I mean essentially the envelope sends. Just take the envelope and send to the parameter. Yeah.
But I mean, the master blaster doesn't offset.
No, there's no offset.
Okay.
No, it is only scale for the send levels. It's sort of like you just had an attenuator on like the CVNs for all of the scales for the knobs. It's also independently controllable. We actually also have the master blaster CV out, so you can actually use this as a master control knob to control other things downstream as well, which is also really useful. Yeah, so those are the 4 modules that we're showing at NAMM 2019. It was good to see you again.
What price point are we hoping for? What price point are we hoping for?
These aren't final. FS will be around 150. TR will hopefully be 133. SB in the neighborhood of that as well. And CIP is still a bit of a mystery to us. We don't have a good price on it yet.
Excellent. Well, Stephen, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for visiting.